welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you today? I hope you're doing fine. My name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, if you're an oldie but a goodie, then welcome back, girl. Today, we're finally gonna do the giveaway winners. I know you guys have been waiting for this because the giveaway was closed on February 14th and we're already in March 6th. But if you guys didn't know, I was pregnant and I had my baby, so I've just been wrapped around his finger. I'm so in love and I'm just enjoying the mom life right now, but I'm finally getting the chance to sit down and film this video for you guys. So if you guys want to know who were the two random lucky winners for the giveaway, then go ahead and keep on watching. So to pick the two giveaway winners, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the YouTube video URL on here, and then it's going to choose a random winner in my comments, and it says it found 37 comments. So pretty much I'm just going to put start and it's going to choose a random winner. And before, of course, I have to check first if they're subscribed. So we're going to go ahead and click our first winner. So I already typed in my YouTube URL for the video. It says it found 37 comments. Now we're going to go ahead and hit start. And we'll see who pops up. My mom. So it was my mom, but that doesn't count. Sorry, mommy. Pero tú no hiciste las reglas. Okay. She gets a lot of makeup from me, so it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and redo that one. Let's see. Go back. So again, I'm just putting my URL for the video. And we're going to go ahead and click start one more time. Is that good right there? Okay. So the winner is Stephanie Garcia 909. Congrats, Stephanie. I know she subscribed. We actually used to be co-workers. We used to work together. So go ahead and send me a DM on Instagram so I can get your address and get the stuff shipped out to you. But congratulations. So again, I'm going to enter my URL for that video. So paste. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start. And the second winner is Amy Rosales. That's actually my cousin. That's so funny. So those are the two winners for the giveaway. Thank you to all of you that participated. And if you did not win this giveaway, don't worry. Don't get discouraged. I am going to be doing giveaways a little bit more often. So don't worry about that, you guys. Thank you to all of you that support this channel. Thank you to all of you that follow me on Instagram, that are subscribed to my channel, that actually interact with me, that like my videos. Thank you guys so much. I really mean it from the bottom of my heart. Me and my husband, thank you, because I know he's grateful too. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Congratulations to those two winners. Congrats. Don't forget to send me a DM on Instagram. I'll give you 48 hours for you to get in contact with me once this video is up. And if you do not contact me within those 48 hours, I will be choosing other winners. So make sure you guys send me a DM on Instagram so I can get that shipped out to you. But yes, congratulations to both of you guys. Thank you so much. I love you guys and I love all of you guys. And we'll go ahead and catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.